What's up, fam? Today I'm going to teach you how to use launch control on a DCT 335is. So the first thing you want to do is start up your car. And then you want to let that thing warm up, okay? Let it get up to temp. I always recommend actually letting it get up to temp before you ever kind of like lay into the throttle or, rev it out pretty high or any of that kind of stuff. Just let the car warm up. It is a turbo car. You want to let it get up to temp and then you should be okay, all right? So having already done that, here's the steps. Ready to rock? Hitting traction control, one press, do not do the long press. Second, click over your DCT shifter to the left side so that it's in manual mode. Press the sport button and then click down on the left paddle. What you want to do is put one foot on the brake and then mash your other foot to the floor so it hits the kick down. It'll rev up to 5 grand, let off the brake, and you're ready to rock. There you have it, fam. That's how you use launch control on a 335is. Not that hard, but also not really that beneficial because you don't have a limited slip, and also even if you did, launching from 5,000 RPMs is kind of pointless with the amount of torque that this car has. But now you know how to do it. Have a good one.